What's up guys, I'm CM, and today we're back for another Beyblade video. Let's go! Our bay today is Basalt Horogium 145 WD. So, ito siya. So, buksan na agad natin ito. So, isa to sa mga top 10 bays of metal fight. Ito yung pinaka-bay. Ito pang parts. Yung launcher. Set aside lang natin yan. So, kunin na natin yung mga parts. So, ito lang yung importanteng parts dito. So, isa tong wide defense 145 rack, and ito naman yung pinaka-bay. So, mabigat nga siya guys, no? So, ito yung face ni Basalt Horogium. So, ayan. Then, ito yung wheel. Kung makikita nyo sa design, pagdating dito is bumaba. So, ayan. So, buuin na natin si Basalt Horogium. So, itong bay pala na to guys is wala siyang sticker. So, hindi na tayo maghihirap sa pagsisticker ngayon. So, ayan. Yun na agad yung finished product natin para kay Twisted Temple or Basalt Horogium. So, next up naman natin is yung kanyang test pin. So,
3, 2, 1, let it rip. Here we go, it's a new wave. This is Beyblade. Pure heart, strong mind, they will never fade. The one and only Beyblade. Spin, spin, spin on the top. Spin, spin, spin till you drop. It's the future, invaders, new generation of bladers. We stronger and faster, combine our bays and be the master. Spin, spin, spin on the top. Spin, spin, spin till you drop. Strategies are playing, knock you off balance, dominate, obliterate the next challenge. I'm undefeated, you better bring that. When the battle's won, you're gonna want a rematch. Let it rip. The one and only Beyblade.